welcome back to our channel. Today we are covering TOGAF Foundation. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe to our channel. Today's questions are: complete the sentence. TOGAF provides a set of reference materials for establishing an architecture function within an organization known as the option A, Architecture Capability Framework. Option B, Architecture Content Framework. Option C, Architecture Landscape. Option D, Architecture Repository. And option E, Architecture Roadmap. The correct answer is option A. Next question is: which of the following does the TOGAF standard describe as a package of functionality defined to meet business needs across an organization? Option A, an application. Option B, an architecture viewpoint. Option C, a building block. Option D, a deliverable. And option E, a solution architecture. The correct answer is option C. Next question is: according to TOGAF, which document should incorporate the actions arising from the business transformation readiness assessment technique? Option A, Architecture Roadmap. Option B, Architecture Requirements Specification. Option C, Communications Plan. Option D, Implementation and Migration Plan. And option E, Implementation Governance Model. The correct answer is option D. Next question is: which of the following best describes the purpose of the architecture vision? Option A, it contains an assessment of the current architecture requirements. Option B, it defines the scope and approach to complete an architecture project. Option C, it is sent from the sponsor and triggers the start of an architecture development cycle. Option D, it provides a high-level aspirational view of the end architecture project. And option E, it provides a schedule for implementation of the target architecture. The correct answer is option D. Next question is: TOGAF Part 7 Architecture Capability Framework recommends use of an ADM cycle for establishing an architecture practice. In this scenario, which architecture will describe the organizational structure for the architecture practice? Option A, Application Architecture. Option B, Business Architecture. Option C, Data Architecture. Option D, Technology Architecture. The correct answer is option B. Next question is: which of the following best describes the purpose of the business scenarios technique? Option A, to guide decision making throughout the enterprise. Option B, to catch errors in a project architecture early. Option C, to identify and understand requirements. Option D, to identify risk when implementing an architecture project. And option E, to highlight shortfalls between the baseline and target architectures. The correct answer is option C. Next question is: complete the sentence. The requirements management process is used to option A. Develop requirements for transition architectures that deliver business value. Option B. Dispose of, address and prioritize architecture requirements. Option C. Organize architecture requirements throughout the ADM cycle. Option D. Review business requirements. And option E. Validate requirements between ADM phases. The correct answer is option C. Next question is, which of the following describes the TOGAF technical reference model? Option A common systems architecture. Option B, a foundation architecture. Option C, an industry specific architecture. Option D, an organization specific architecture. And option E, a solution architecture. The correct answer is option B. Thank you.